Hey there, Tad Hargrave from Marketing for Hippies. I've got another video today about a puttering session I did of somebody who was helping people with screen addiction. And this is an interesting example of how you can find sub-niches within a niche. So screen addiction, fairly clear overall. But as we spoke, one of the challenges that people have in business is they pick an issue that people aren't necessarily that motivated to help themselves with. But it may be something that the other people in their lives see, and those may be the best sources of hubs. One of my colleagues, a copywriter, and his wife came up with a meditation CD, a kind of relaxation CD for the bridezillas, the stressed out brides. And despite writing a really good sales letter for it, it didn't sell. He had some of the top copywriters in the world look at it, it didn't sell. And part of my take after looking at it was, you're trying to sell to the bride. And the bride is too busy, is too stressed out, may not fully see the impact that her stress is having on other people. But the bridesmaids do. They see it. The bride's mother's does, she sees it. So maybe you could be marketing to the people one degree out. And so it struck me, with the screen addiction, instead of offering help directly to people, you could be offering help to the parents. Yeah, the parents of the kids who are spending way too much time on the screen. Also potentially to relationship or dating coaches. If screen addiction is affecting relationships, maybe a relationship coach might bring you onto their podcast to talk about this, because I'm sure that is a dynamic. The biohacker crowd could be another crowd. There could be a presentation called the top 10 reasons to start with screen addiction. Hey, when you're looking at the biohacking thing, start here. Start with ending the screen addiction, because it makes all the other things possible. Frees up all this time. There's the holistic practitioner crowd, learn how to help your clients with screen addiction. So you see what I'm saying? With the one issue, there's a lot of different angles you could go at it. Each one of those has its own set of hubs, its own set of places you could find them. And one could do licensing as well. One could come up with a course around screen addiction and license it to this, to holistic practitioners or to relationship coaches, and say, hey, you just pay me a certain amount and you can use this with your clients as much as you want. And anyways, so those are just some little examples of a way that you can take an issue and start to translate it for different communities, crowds, scenes, professions, and find different inroads. So instead of just trying to reach everybody who might be struggling with this issue, you reach a specific group one at a time. So there you go. Hopefully this video was helpful. If you liked it, please share it with somebody you know. If you want to see more videos, click the red subscribe button and the bell icon. And of course you can find me at on Instagram at Marketing for Hippies, and my website marketingforhippies.com, where there's a ton of free stuff to check out. Thanks everyone.